So think a little bit about your shape. So you don't want a blob, you need to add a little bit of shape. So perhaps come in a bit. No one's going to know that that wasn't exactly the flower shape, so come in a bit. So get your seams together, pin it underneath the sewing machine, and now I'm going to turn it through. And you've probably forgotten that I actually left a hole in the lining. So I'm going to now turn it through the hole there, poke it all out. You know, I've been thinking about it all throughout this film. I'm sorry, I just cannot finish off the film without showing you how very fetching this would look, not only as a tea cosy, but as the most amazing hat.